Today I will show how to buy shares of Etsy Inc., ticker ETSY, listed on NASDAQ. Etsy is an online marketplace for handmade and vintage goods, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy Etsy, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ETSY to find the stock. Select the matching result to open the correct Etsy listing on the broker. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Make sure the company name and ticker match before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute once trading reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money. After the trade completes, your new position will appear in the portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.